Alright YouTube, we've made our cardboard mock-up and that's how it's going to go together. So now we've got our pieces cut and now T is going to weld these up. Hey YouTube, this is J and T Customs. I'm Jay.
I'm T.
And how are you doing? Practice.
Had some issues with the gas, had some issues with the heat, ripping holes through, and then I finally got it. So, practice before you make garbage.
Even if you do one spot at a time, it's fine.
I was filling the hole.
Now normally this thin metal, we would use a TIG welder, but since we don't have a TIG welder, we have to use our MIG welder on the lowest settings possible because this material is thin. We are possibly going to make it out of aluminum, not sure yet. Alright YouTube, here we are, we're in the process of making our coolant reservoir. And T is cutting up some more pieces with the plasma cutter. And then we're going to weld these up. Looks great, T. Good job.
I have the helmet on the wrong setting. I can't see nothing.
Great.
Woo! New helmet works great. A little too well. I'm still trying to figure out all the kinks and bumps and clumps. For any of you who are asking, this is the ESOB 850 Sentinel. Is that what it says on it? Sentinel 850. Yeah. Great helmet. I love this thing. I got it yesterday. First time I've been using it. So my welds might not be the greatest. As you can see, they're getting better. I'm still trying to get it all dialed in. So, but great helmet. Great. I thought that'd be freaking nice.
Alright, YouTube, so now we're just about done with our basic setup. We have built, that's not hot, it's the other end that's hot. We built the whole thing. What we have to do now is we got to wire brush the inside of this, get all the little splatters off, and then what we'll do, once this is all wire brushed, this is going to actually get painted. Okay, so now what T is going to do is he's going to now close up these seams here, all the way around, all the way over the whole thing. So then we can grind this brown. Okay.
Start on the bottom in case I need to get my practices. So
Exactly. So we're gonna grind this brown. This is not gonna be super sharp edge like this. It's gonna be nice and round. Okay. So we're gonna start doing that. I gotta cut something else for Mr. J. So I'll be back. I'm just gonna throw you on a tripod and let T have that.
not the best thing I've ever done. However, that is a horrendous noise. Once you start making custom stuff and start doing it more often, you'll end up with a whole bunch of junk lying around that you're going to be like, oh, look, I could use that for this. And, well, there you go. So, but if you're just starting out, you don't have a lot of stuff, you know, take your time, grab, I don't know, go to the store and get a piece of angle iron or a pipe from Lowe's or Home Depot, whatever you guys have. They're really not that expensive. And just practice. You know, you can cut it up into littler pieces, smaller pieces, not littler pieces, that's not a word. And just practice. So, I didn't get this helmet for just because, well, I did get it just because, but I got it for a reason. I have something coming in the mail. Hint, hint. Anyway. So, oh, hey, turn on. I was just talking to my buddy of mine, well, my cousin actually, and he's a welder, and he does a whole lot of TIG stuff, and this, I've seen a lot of people weld, I've seen a lot of people on YouTube weld, and he has a gift because he is, I think, the best welder that I've seen ever. His work is incredible. You would think that this guy's been doing it for the last 3 decades, and he's been doing it a while, but not that long. And he was just talking to me about getting a bunch of aluminum squares online to make little tiny 1-inch cubes, or 1.5-inch cubes out of aluminum. And he's using TIG welder, and he's doing that to get better. And I'm like, you don't need to, because you're already the, like, you know, some of his work is immaculate. This guy's incredible, and he's doing practice, you know? So everybody needs practice. It's okay to practice. So if you think that, you know, practice is bad, don't think that, because practice is very, very good. Now, okay. So, that, I believe, that's all, is all of the outside panels as of right now. We're not doing the bottom or the back yet because back, and then this piece there, and then wraps around and connects like that. Bing, bada, boom. Well, we are not doing that yet because I don't know if y'all can see it, but it ain't looking the prettiest in there. So, and there's a bunch of little shrapnel beads in there, and we don't want that going inside the block, because this, as I'm sure you guys have heard, I don't know how many times, is for my coolant. Goes this way. My coolant reservoir. Coolant. I might put power steering on this side and, you know, put a divider in here. I don't know. I might just make a bigger coolant thing. Could do that too. I don't know. We'll see. But that's what this is for. So all the inside needs to get cleaned out. But the good news is we have a lot of new things coming in the mail, like I mentioned earlier. So that'll be some new content on the channel. New stuff for me and Jay. We've never had what's coming in the mail before, so this will be a learning curve for the two of us, and that'll be fun. So you'll come with us on the journey. So thank you guys for watching. Yes, like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for
Looks good.
I don't know, episode 2, 3, 4, whatever we're up to.
Looks good.
I don't really remember.
We don't do episodes.
We don't do episodes anymore. All right, stay tuned for the next video. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye.